Welcome to another video. What if I told you that the secret to long-term wealth isn't about working harder, but working smarter? Imagine waking up every day knowing that your money is making more money while you sleep. Sounds like a dream, right? Today, I'm breaking down real, proven passive income strategies that can set you up for financial freedom without the guesswork. Let's get into it. 1. Dividend stocks get paid for holding shares. No, this isn't some scam, it's what the wealthy do. Companies like Apple, Coca-Cola, and McDonald's pay shareholders just for owning shares. Here's the play. Reinvest those dividends and over time your money compounds massively. Genja move. Start with ETFs like SKHD or VOO. They pay dividends and grow in value. Pro move. If you want higher payouts, look into REITs, real estate investment trusts like O or AVV. They pay monthly dividends. If you invest just $500 a month into dividend stocks with a 5% yield, in 20 years you'd be making over $1,000 a month in passive income. 2. Airbnb arbitrage, rental income without owning property. People think you need to own 10 properties to make passive income with rentals. Wrong. The new game is Airbnb arbitrage. Here's how it works. You rent a place, furnish it, and sublease it on Airbnb. No massive down payment, no 30-year mortgage, just pure cash flow. How to do it? Step 1. Find landlords open to subleasing, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, Zillow. Step 2. Furnish the place smartly, Facebook Marketplace, for cheap finds. Step 3. Optimize your Airbnb listing with great photos and auto pricing tools. One unit can bring in $2,000 a month profit if done right. 3. Digital products. Make it once, sell it forever. Real passive income equals money that keeps coming in with zero extra work after setup. That's where digital products win. How to start? Step 1. Pick something people already pay for: books, planners, online courses. Step 2. Use AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva to create them in a weekend. Step 3. Sell them on Gumroad, Etsy, or Teachable for unlimited sales. A single $25 digital planner selling 10 times a day equals $7,500 a month. 4. YouTube. Automation passive income on autopilot. Ever wonder how faceless YouTube channels make $10K a month without showing their face? It's called YouTube automation. No filming, no editing, just content running itself. The blueprint. Step 1. Pick a niche: finance, gaming, tech, AI tools. Step 2. Use AI tools like Pictory, 11 Labs, and Canva to make the videos. Step 3. Upload 10+ videos a month, optimize for SEO and retention. People are making $20K a month posting 8-minute AI-generated videos. This is real passive income. But here's the thing. You can't invest if you don't have money saved. If you're struggling to even put together $1,000, watch my video on how to save $1,000 fast. I break down step-by-step ways to get your first investment capital. 5. Affiliate marketing. Make money without a product. If you don't want to create your own product, affiliate marketing lets you earn commissions by promoting other people's products. No inventory, no shipping, no customer service, just money. How to start? Step 1. Sign up for affiliate programs: Amazon Associates, ClickBank, PartnerStack, Share a Sale. Step 2. Find products related to your niche: finance, tech, self-improvement. Step 3. Promote them through YouTube videos, blogs, TikTok, or Pinterest. Example: if you recommend a finance book and 100 people buy it at $10 commission per sale, that's $1,000 passive income with one video. 6. High-yield savings and cash flow investing. Let's say you're just getting started and want something safe. High-yield savings accounts are a solid option, with banks like Ally and Marcus offering 4 to 5% interest. Better yet, consider cash flow investments like peer-to-peer lending or fractional real estate platforms like Fundrise or Yield Street. These let you invest with as little as $10 and start earning passive income immediately. Final thoughts: the passive income game plan. Passive income isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about stacking assets that pay you forever. You don't need all of these strategies, but pick one or two, stay consistent, and watch your money work for you. The choice is simple: keep working forever or start building real wealth. Drop a comment. Which passive income strategy are you starting with? Subscribe for more financial freedom tips. Check out my other videos, especially if you need help saving your first $1,000 fast.